Ever had a perfect ride ruined by a surprise flat? Or a car you didn't see coming? Today, we're turning that stress into confidence with 20 must-have bike gadgets on Amazon for 2026. We'll preview the payoff early. Radar that spots traffic behind you, a tiny pump that hits high pressure fast, and a helmet that signals your turns. Stick around. One pick hides essential tools inside your bike. 1. Garmin Edge 1050. Premium cycling computer. Garmin's Edge 1050 is a premium GPS cycling computer built for riders who want a brighter screen and smarter ride feedback. The vivid color touchscreen pairs with a built-in speaker for workout and navigation prompts, plus an on-device bike bell. You also get road hazard alerts from the community, Climb Pro for ascent planning, Power Guide targets, and Garmin Pay for quick stops. With up to 20 hours, or 60 in battery saver, it's a serious all-day command center. 2. Wahoo ELEMNT Ace Cycling Computer. The Wahoo ELEMNT Ace is designed like a ride dashboard you can actually use on the move. Its large 3.8-inch touchscreen supports press, pinch, and swipe control, while the ready-to-ride screen speeds up pre-ride setup. The standout feature is its built-in pressure sensor that tracks real-time air resistance metrics, air boost/air drag, and then breaks down wind dynamics in the Wahoo app after the ride. If you love data without clutter, Ace feels modern and fast. 3. Wahoo ELEMNT Roam 5 2 GPS Bike Computer. Wahoo's ELEMNT Roam 2 is the sweet spot for riders who want dependable navigation without a giant tablet on the bars. It uses dual-band GPS for better accuracy in tricky environments like dense trees or city canyons, and it keeps key stats easy to read on its 2.7-inch display. With a claimed 17-hour battery life, it's ready for long training days and weekend adventures. Pair it with your sensors and just ride. Roam keeps you on course, stress-free. 4. Beeline Velo 2. Bike GPS Computer. Beeline Velo 2 is perfect if you want navigation that stays simple and distraction-free. The compact 32mm screen gives clear turn cues, and when your signal drops, it can still help you stay oriented and reroute quickly. You can ride in full compass mode with a single arrow pointing to your destination, then sync and share your rides to Strava. It's weatherproof, glove-friendly, and rated for 11+ hours of battery life. Big guidance in a tiny, clean setup. 5. Garmin Varia RTL 515 Rearview Radar Tail Light. Garmin's Varia RTL 515 is one of those upgrades you feel on the very first ride. The rearview radar and tail light detect vehicles approaching from behind, up to 153 yards away, and send visual/audio alerts to compatible Garmin devices or your phone. Instead of constant shoulder checks, you get calm, early warning, especially on busy roads. Add the bright, attention-grabbing light modes, and you're not just safer, you're more confident. It's a small gadget with a huge safety payoff. 6. Garmin Varia RCT 715 Radar Plus Camera Plus Tail Light. The Garmin Varia RCT 715 levels up rear visibility by combining radar, a tail light, and a built-in camera. It records what's behind you and automatically saves footage if an incident is detected, capturing 1080p video or 720p to stretch battery. The radar still detects vehicles up to 153 yards back, and you can manage video through the Varia app. With modes like Always On, Radar Only, or Radar-Activated Recording, it's smart protection that works in the background. 7. Cycliq Fly 6 CEHD Bike Camera Plus Rear Light. Cycliq Fly 6 CE is like having a witness and a warning light in one sleek unit. It records full HD 1080p rear video with 6-axis image stabilization, while a bright 100-lumen tail light boosts your visibility in traffic. A home-safe mode and a long runtime, often quoted around 7 hours in camera mode, make it practical for commuters and long rides. If you ride near cars, Fly 6 adds peace of mind and accountability without adding bar clutter. 8. Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet. Lumos Ultra turns your helmet into a communication tool. Built-in front and rear LEDs increase visibility, and the wireless handlebar remote triggers bright turn signals so drivers actually know your next move. The MIPS version adds extra rotational impact protection, and the helmet connects to your phone so you can customize light patterns, brightness, and even sync lights with other helmets using Team Sync. With up to 10 hours of battery and USB-C charging, it's safety tech you'll use every ride. 9. Quad Lockout Front Bicycle Phone Mount Pro. The Quad Lockout Front Bicycle Phone Mount Pro V2 is for riders who refuse to gamble with their phone. Its patented dual-stage lock keeps your device secure, yet the twist and lock motion lets you pop it on and off in seconds. The low-profile anodized aluminum arm is designed to be strong and aerodynamic, and it fits common bar sizes from 22 mm up to 35 mm. If you rely on maps, Strava, or music, this mount makes your cockpit cleaner and safer. 10. CYCPLUS AS2 Pro Tiny Electric Bike Pump. CYCPLUS AS2 Pro is the pocket pump that ends CO2 cartridge anxiety. It's a tiny electric inflator that can hit up to 120 psi with a large LED screen, so you can set a target pressure and let it auto-stop when it's done. It's built for both Presta and Schrader valves, charges quickly, and is light enough to stash in a jersey pocket or strap to a pack. For road, MTB, or e-bikes, it's fast, accurate, and ridiculously convenient. 11. Dynaplug Micro Pro Pill Tubeless Tire Puncture Repair Kit. Dynaplug's Micro Pro Pill is a tiny, trail-ready lifesaver for tubeless riders. Made in the USA and sized to disappear in a pocket or saddlebag, it's built to plug punctures fast, often without even removing the wheel. The plugs are designed to seal holes up to about 3/16 of an inch, so a ride-ending hiss becomes a quick stop-and-go fix. If you hate messy patches and long roadside repairs, this tool keeps your momentum and your confidence intact. 12. Park Tool CM 5.3 Cyclone Chain Scrubber. A clean drivetrain is a faster, quieter drivetrain, and Park Tool's CM 5.3 makes it easy. This chain scrubber uses internal rotating brushes to clean multiple sides of the chain at once, while the sturdy handle keeps everything stable and controlled. It's designed to work across modern multi-speed bikes, including 5 through 12 speed setups, and the built-in sponge helps reduce drips and mess. It's the kind of maintenance gadget that saves you time now and money later. 13. NiteRider Lumina 1200 Boost USB Rechargeable Bike Light. If you ride early mornings, late nights, or through unpredictable weather, the Lumina 1200 Boost is a serious visibility upgrade. It delivers up to 1200 lumens of bright, road-filling light in a compact housing, and the USB rechargeable design keeps things simple. No disposable batteries, no hassle. Multiple light modes let you choose between maximum brightness or extended runtime, and the handlebar mount makes it easy to pop on and off. Safety, clarity, and confidence in one clean package. 14. Knog Oi Classic S Bicycle Bell. Most bike bells are bulky and forgettable. Knog Oi is the opposite. Its low-profile, ring-style design wraps neatly around your handlebar, so it looks like part of the bike instead of an add-on. The S size is built for smaller bars, and the sound is crisp and attention-grabbing without being obnoxious. It's a small upgrade, but it pays off every time you need a quick, polite warning on shared paths or busy city streets. Clean look, real-world usefulness. 15. Knog Blinder Square Front plus Rear Bike Light Set. This blinder square set is an instant C and B scene upgrade, perfect for commuters and night riders. The front light pushes bright output, listed at 600 lumens, while the rear light is designed for long-range visibility, listed as visible up to 450 meters. Both lights are USB rechargeable and built to handle real riding conditions, not just perfect weather. If you want a simple lighting setup that looks sleek, mounts fast, and makes you stand out in traffic, this set punches way above its size. 16. Hiplock Airlock Locking Wall-Mounted Bike Hanger. Airlock is the home storage solution that actually treats your bike like it's worth protecting. It's a wall-mounted hanger with an integrated hardened steel locking system, so your bike isn't just displayed, it's secured. Rubberized contact points help protect your frame, and the key lock design adds real peace of mind for apartments, garages, workplaces, or even sheltered outdoor areas. If floor space is limited and theft risk is real, AirLock turns storage into security with one clean install. 17. Rock Bros Bike Phone Front Frame Bag. This Rock Bros Top Tube bag is built for riders who want essentials accessible without stuffing pockets. Up top, you get a clear phone window for navigation, ride tracking, or quick calls. And inside, there's room for the real must-haves: keys, wallet, gels, a mini tool, even a compact pump. It's designed to stay stable and shake-resistant, and the weather-resistant build helps protect your gear when conditions turn. For commuting or longer rides, it's a small storage upgrade that makes everything feel easier and more organized. 18. Slime 10,216 Tubeless Bicycle Tire Sealant. Slime Tubeless Sealant is the set-it-and-forget-it solution for fewer flats and more ride time. It's formulated to instantly seal punctures up to 1/4 inch, and it's made specifically for tubeless bicycle tires. It also holds up in extreme temperatures, so it's not just a fair-weather fix. Installation is simple. Pour it into the tire, then cleanup is just water. For riders who hate getting stranded, this is cheap insurance that pays off the first time it works. 19. Crank Brothers M19 Multi-Tool. A good multi-tool is the difference between finishing the ride or calling for a rescue, and the Crank Brothers M19 is built for real trailside problem solving. It packs a wide set of functions into a compact, pocket-friendly body, using durable, high-tensile steel bits and a grippy side plate design that's easier to handle with sweaty hands or gloves. From quick cockpit adjustments to drivetrain tweaks, it gives you the confidence to keep rolling when small issues try to ruin your day. 20. ABUS Bordeaux 6000 Kelvin Folding Lock with ST Lock Case. The Bordeaux 6000 Kelvin is a smart middle ground between a U-lock and a cable, flexible to wrap around awkward racks, but built with serious protection. It uses specially hardened steel bars, listed at 5 mm, connected by rivets, plus an X+ cylinder for stronger anti-tamper resistance. The 90 cm length gives you real locking options, and the included case mounts to your bike for easy carry. If you park in medium-risk areas and want security without bulky weight, this lock is a proven daily rider. That's our roundup of 20 must-have bike gadgets on Amazon for 2026, built to make every mile safer, smoother, and more fun. Whether you're commuting, training, or exploring new routes, the right upgrades can save time, prevent breakdowns, and boost confidence in traffic. If this list helped, hit like, share it with a riding buddy, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next gear guide.